crispy.
How can I help you?
Well, I gather you got me a car, something.
It's kind of sassy and kind of sporty, and I think it'll be perfect for you in
I
Miami.
wanted something that, like, if I was playing Grand Theft Auto,
Okay.
it's a car that I would steal and drive for a while and then.
With Miami, I think, you have so many like high sporty kind of cars, and if you want to blend in, you can, and if you want to sass it out, you can kind of punch it out and be noticeable.
Awesome.
Sometimes you need to just embrace your inner douche. And driving around South Beach, you may as well drive the car you never would in any other situation. Come on, you know you want to. This is the one town you won't stick out in a car 20 years too young for you and way too bright and way too fast.
That's what I'm here for. Me and my red car. I'm putting the douche back in Miami. It is my right as an American to come to South Beach and behave like a douche. Actually, no, I'm over the age limit to do that. It's really unacceptable. Euro douche. I could come and act like a Euro douche. That would be okay. That's one of the things I love about South Beach. Really feels like you're living inside Grand Theft Auto Vice City. I always feel this sort of not-so-secret compulsion to, sideswipe people and beat prostitutes to death. Then who doesn't?
Of course, you could walk or bike around like the locals do. I've heard there's a public transportation system that gets you just about anywhere you want to go with a $2 Easy Pass. But for f***'s sake, you're in Miami. It's vacation.
Anthony! I see you every day, man. You have to pay, bro.
Thank you, brother.
I don't believe it. Welcome to Miami, man.
You gotta love that. Walking down the main drag of the city, your ass cheeks flapping for everybody to see. I don't know. What other major metropolis would that be acceptable